If you ask architecture students who have passed out or are still studying at good colleges or universities such as CAE, Top College in Coimbatore, they will tell you that during the studying years at good colleges or universities, such as CAE, Top College in Coimbatore, demands many sacrifices. At the same time, however, it can give you a sense of the design and creative processes that few other faculties can offer. 1. Focus on the portfolio. The portfolio holds a very important aspect in the world of architecture. It is more than a duty to work for all 4 years of university to achieve the best possible grade from CAE, a top 5 deemed university in Coimbatore. 2. Your social life will change. With the change, we mean that you will meet new people, sure, so you'll have to spend hours and hours with them and create custom reports only, but forgot to go with the similar path of your friends who went ahead with economy or other noble materials. 3. Think architecture, be architecture. It is not wise to start at a late age. If you haven't already had experience in the field, or if you haven't had a passion since the time you started to understand things, you might be a bit behind in the race. However, with the right studies at CAE, the best architecture college in Coimbatore, you can catch up. 4. You will be studying and gaining a whole lot of knowledge. Options are available from static to sociology, design, psychology, geometry, graphic, at least 5 programs of 2D and 3D graphics, sustainability, history, technology, urban planning, and modeling. 5. You learn from both university and the outside world. You can learn to experiment, have classes, and plan for your future at CAE, a top 10 deemed university in Coimbatore. Go out, seek different things, and try to get some real-life experience with the learning at your college. 6. If it's late, don't shy away from burning night lamp oil. Sleepyhead and night silence can trouble you at times, but you have to make it a part of your schedule if you are looking forward to clearing your syllabus. If you are good, you will get started. If you're new, you'll take a bit more time. 7. Make full use of your weekend instead of relaxing. It is good to take care of your health, but don't take it overboard. The weekend doesn't mean you have to lay down in bed the whole day. For architecture students, the weekend is only an incredible opportunity to live a bit less oppressed during the coming week at the best architecture college in Coimbatore. It can be used to cover all the intense work or projects that were forgotten during trips or some delays. 8. When you can't, just push yourself. You might just forget how many times you will go on to say that I can't do this, but I have to do it anyway during the whole 5 years. Know that architecture is a big sacrifice with fruitful results. 9. Architecture is very similar to water polo. The comparison of this with water polo goes together because in both you will need numerous training sessions to stay afloat. 10. Architecture college isn't just about being an architect. The knowledge an architect can give you a lot if you are careful with your steps. You can become a technician, a critic, an urban planner, a landscape architect, a designer. Or why not? A great architect. 11. Be an expert in sustainability. While you are at CAE, the top college in Coimbatore, you might not have thought of this, but you can be sufficiently sustainable and your right decision can have a bright future. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time.